Hi, I've been doing breath work with Dr. Nick now for about a month or so, and before I started with him, I had no idea how much breathing from my upper body was causing pain and stress in my shoulders. And then I learned about how breathing in and out from the diaphragm and really focused on the intake of your air and the outtake of your breath has really alleviated a lot of that extra pain. It also helps my mind focus better. I leave here having more energy, and I just feel like I'm actually getting more oxygen into my body.